Hey guys, this is Gamer and Crafter. Today I am going to be making a mini smoker. So, I had to retake this YouTube video because the frame rate, because the quality was sucky and it's still gonna be sucky, but yeah, so you need to cut out two squares like this, and then you need to cut out then you need 2 coffee sticks, and then you cut them out into the shape and you cut them out into the correct shape that you need. No, into the correct length that you need. Sorry, I can't talk today. So I don't know how to edit videos because I'm filming a YouTube video on my iPad, and I don't know how to edit videos on an iPad. So it'd be extremely helpful if you guys can comment down below how to edit a video. And you guys can comment down below and tell me how to edit a video. Yeet! No, that was a fleet. Yeet! I have a TikTok account. You guys should go check out my TikTok account if you even have TikTok. It's Sammy Boy Meme Center. My TikTok account is Sammy Boy Meme Center. You guys should go check out my TikTok account and follow me. Yeah, I'm very, very sucky I'm sucky at YouTube, and I'm also sucky at anything else that goes online. What the hell am I doing? What, am I just trying to make the video longer by being boring? Let's use my homemade saw. Oops. I guess using my homemade saw is not a really good idea. I may have just ruined my smoker. My homemade buzz saw does not work that well. And there's this really cool thing that you can do with a hot glue gun and a shipping label. Wait, I need to quickly do that. Yeah, I think that's good. So you can take any shipping label, and then if you put something hot in it, you can draw on it. So see, there's no black line right here, and then if you just do this, there's now a bunch of black lines. So that's something I figured out a few days ago. I'm still sort of angry that I used my buzz saw on it. It's not really a buzz saw, my saw thing. Cause now I don't really think it's gonna work out well. Oh, I used to have a cat, and it was literally like a furry buzzsaw. Literally. And we got another pet. We got another pet cat. And one day the cat went missing, and my parents thought it ran away, but I think that my other cat ate it. That my other cat ate the other cat. Because my cat was literally a furry buzzsaw, and then we just got rid of him. And nobody else wanted him, so we just let him run away and kill other animals, and then be a furry buzzsaw to other animals. Okay, and then once you have the correct size, of square, you put the 2 popsicle sticks in the sides, make sure that they fit, and if they do, insert it into the mini smoker that you're gonna make. I don't know if you want to make it or not, but I'm just telling you how to do it. So you do this, and then you see if it fits, and if it fits, then that's good. And then you just hot glue those And then you just hot glue the popsicle sticks into place. I do not recommend this for people that don't have a hot glue gun. Oh, before I even had my, and before I even uploaded this video, like 2 weeks ago, I made a mini barbecue for my houseboat. Ugh. Ugh. What the hell? Why am I? Oh, damn it. I do have BeamNG Drive, so you guys can comment down below if you want me to play BeamNG Drive, but I can't do it today, neither can I do it tomorrow. I'm only going to be able to do it on Saturday and Sunday. Since everybody's in quarantine, and everybody has and everybody has online school work, I can only do it on Saturdays and Sundays. I can only play games on Saturdays and Sundays, so that's when I'm going to be uploading game videos of gaming videos. It's going to be videos of BeamNG Drive. I don't think my brother even knows that I started this YouTube channel. No, because my brother doesn't know that I started this YouTube channel, and I'm just going to let him figure out the bug. And yes, this is mine and my brother's YouTube account. And if the popsicle sticks are too long, take a pair of wire cutters and then snip it off and to get it to fit. And then you'll have a little shelf for the smoker. You can pull it in, you can push it in and then pull it out. And then you do that, and then you repeat that step for the next door. You repeat that step for the next door. Actually, I'm actually gonna make this the bottom door. I'm not trying to do a face reveal, but if you guys caught my face, yeah, it's fine. If you guys saw my face, it's fine. I don't really effing care. No, I don't really care. I tend to swear a lot. And I hope I don't get demonetized. Well, by the way, I'm a kid. I don't actually really care if I get demonetized, so. Yeah. I don't care if I get demonetized, because I mean, I'm not going to make any money. I'm just a kid. And then once you have one in, then you glue the other one right at the same level as the other one. If you've never done crafts before, I also don't recommend this for you. If you've never done crafts before, and you don't have a hot glue gun, and you don't know anything about crafts, I would recommend you don't do this. One sec. Oh, the TV and the mini TV in the Apple box is unplugged. Oh, I'm probably gonna go plug those in for when I'm done making the YouTube video. Comment down below your channel and I can subscribe to your channel if you want. Comment down below your YouTube channel and I can subscribe if you want. And also, if any of you guys watching this video knows Gray Still Plays, tell him to please subscribe to my channel, because I like his channel. Because I really like his channel. I really like his Sims 4 YouTube series. Whoa. And there you go. When you have two doors, then when you have two doors, no, it's supposed to go like this. When you have two doors, and then you need to create the box. And you need to create the box in the side for the smoker. I tend to make things really detailed, so yeah. I have no effing. I have no clue what